Oh, something right at you, something right at you.
No, it's a big fish on now.
Mmm.
Ooh.
Those are big fish.
I'ma need the net.
Is it a crappie? Or
Yes.
It is? Oh, okay. I saw color. Oh.
Oh, it's a bass. Now,
Rufus.
hey, partner, you bit the wrong hook today. Thank you, net man. Look at that. Look. By the skin of his lip. That's crazy.
Just one right, one good, hard jerk, he got away.
Oh yeah, he been gone. And the funny part about it is, he didn't run with it until I set the hook. That's that watermelon. And then when I look at the screen, I gotta remember it's not left to right, it's front to back.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. Double head, double header.
Net, please.
Hey, look, I got mine out.
I got mine.
Oh, you did? And look, I hit my anti-reverse.
She cute.
Yeah.
What I'm going back? Guess
Somebody's going back home.
Mama said, come with me, baby. Mama. No, baby said, Mama, don't leave me.
Don't leave me. Told your butt to stay in the nursery. Get on out of here.
Boy.
Two more. Cause that looked pretty aggressive. Mm-hmm. You don't think so? Reaction bite?
Yeah, it just did it. And I felt it. And I was like, first I thought I was on a tree. No, he just did this. And I was like, oh, okay, you here.
Oh, sorry.
Mm. That was a tree. And that's what I thought it was last time. That ain't. Ooh.
Not a tree.
I don't know. As soon as I come across a branch, that's where they hit me.
You one of them.
Just blown down.
Regroup.
Is this you right here?
I can't see.
Yep, that's you. Right here. Something coming at you. You see it?
See it. Come on, hit it. He is at it.
Little fella.
Got him. Oh!
Oh, I see him going away too.
Yeah. Look, he swam around it and then came. There we go. On the drill. Net. Yeah.
I might have been able to lift him.
Not today, Chris.
You look like the one I lifted yesterday.
Not today, Chris. He looked familiar.